Have you ever looked at a wall and thought, what if I could turn this into a perfect shelf design? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, using the Coohom wall editor tool. So stay with me till the end, because this simple trick will make your design look professional and realistic in no time. Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 21, and in today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a shelf in Coohom using the wall editor tool. Let's get started. To make a shelf, we'll first add a fireplace at the center of our design. To do that, open the public library, then click on the construction option. From there, select fireplace, choose the one you like. Choose the one you like and suitable for the room theme. Once you choose the fireplace, simply drag it into your plan. Once placed, adjust the length and width of the fireplace to fit your layout. Now, it's time to make a shelf design. You could use a pre-made Coohom model, but in this design, we're creating a custom shelf using a slab. The slab not only adds strength, but also gives your design a more polished look. By the way, if you're not familiar with how the public library works, I've already made a full video explaining it in detail. I've linked it right here in the I button. So, make sure to click there and watch it if you haven't yet. Now, let's create our custom shelf using the wall editor. To open it, click on the wall, a small pop-up will appear, then click the wall editor or the pencil icon. Give it a few seconds to load. In this video, we'll keep it simple and focus only on the basic tools. To start, let's add a guide. Go to the top menu, click on Guide, or press the shortcut key G. Now click on the wall to mark the section where you want your shelf to be. Once the guide for a shelf is added, we'll draw it using the pencil tool. Shortcut key L for straight line. And then create multiple copies of it. To do this, select the drawn shelf. Press Shift and drag your mouse to fully select it. This will select the entire shelf. After selecting it, a pop-up will appear on the side. From there, click on the duplicate option to make copies of the shelf. Then, place each copy where you have added the guides. In this way, the base of the shelf will be ready to create your shelf shape. After drawing, use the extrusion tool to give it depth. Enter your desired dimension for the shelf thickness. Now repeat the same process for the other side wall to create a balanced design. That's it. Your manual shelf in Coohom is ready. When done, click Save at the top right corner, then close the editor by clicking the cross icon. You'll return to the main model view. And just look at that. The shelf looks perfectly built and incredibly realistic. Before you move to the next tutorial, if you haven't yet upgraded your Coohom account, this is the best time to do it. Use my exclusive code, Home Designer, to get 73% off on all Coohom Pro plans. Or if you want to unlock unlimited renders, advanced tools, and high-quality features, use code HD Elite for 10% off on Coohom Elite. Click the link in the description to grab your discount today. And that's it for today's lesson. In the next video, we'll move one step further and learn how to design a ceiling using the ceiling editor, so don't miss that one. If you found this video helpful,
Yes.
please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you tried creating your own shelf in Coohom. I might even feature your design in an upcoming video. Until next time, keep practicing, keep designing, and happy designing.